It's a form of Kwaba de Live TV. Press and number channel so hit the man subscribe or like share my one pencil me be a tear soon. You've been to Jimmy. Now that Jimmy same none than some of your trigonum. You're far more some in every morning. Your ballroom, it's you for your ballroom. A war about me. I catch na and some ben few hope at you for Ghana for chess. Is you know, oh my tired of Baumia lies. Baumia torn in a campaign, Camesis or Namobo and obesity toilet and obesity toilet. Na Ghana for say Baumia. Uba obesity toilet, Uba obesity toilet. A young quiet toilet, obesity, assembly my duma. And yet, who I say, president who would do my say be obesity toilet and then as a for. But it is for Emma or Mutu to be my name, Papa, and Papa, and ye. Joshua, Catashon, Casepetos, or Matu to be a man and Papa, you move na yenti.
Drainage in fa into pesa ye mo waba so ye ntwa ntron kan kire tie for say eye mo NPP amanyoko mo ba ye ma complete roads ma ye drainage systems ma ye bridge no mo ye ne hefa adofo ma ye bridge o ba bia minimum ana NPP amanyoko ba ye no ma ye bridge Francis Asenso ye mpɛ nkwasi asem bia ye mpɛ jimi sem bia. Last but not the least Bewumia esi Chesia na de enche oba be fight corruption. Na me question me woma Bewulaya ne say Bewulaya wo beye omampanyina na be fight corruption na ana say sesie ya wo no why corrupt no e na obeye ye friend saying obeye dey obe fight corruption I na menti wase o mo ankasa da bia me ka chese crazy agina wadwem o say ne campaign e was central region e na odi tudwa e say enche obe start a fight corruption. Enti ono be wabia no se to aba e de mano a obeye omanpanyin obe fight corruption be omia we ye woni jimi dia wo za kwa we de wajimi o be omia wajimi papa be bia wo aban na corruption kwa kodu be bia wo Bewulaya wa corruption kwa kodu no wo fi se ya jimi ana NPP amanyoko mu fi se ya jimi ana we yenye NPP nkraman na mo kan bibia na ya atum na ya pene su no da bi we are not like that. We are not like that. Say, Mobe can say, who be fight corruption. Uma mimpe video be crying, send me that so video no poor. Who be fight corruption? Corruption, no, who do we know sin ever fight another saying? Another saying, me I just want to know. I want to know. A coin of so okay, moment said Jimmy Foey. Maybe.
Economy. These taxes are hurting.
Momentie Bewumia ebra obey your
the economy. These taxes are hurting, and therefore you are not going to get the growth. And when you don't get the growth, you will not get the revenue. And when you don't get the revenue, you go back to taxes to get the revenue, and then you are in a cyclical downward spiral. And so they have it wrong, and we will change that particular policy. We will use the tax incentives to grow this economy.
They are going to use taxes to grow the economy. But Bewumia, one kasankasa no yare kakra ho. Afi me one another video bi a mama mbona yemfa nko yemfa video ni ndo. Oba obesi toilet e di amamo, obesi bombala tray e di amamo. Mumisa ono ye na yeto abama no ono Bewumia. Ni fie water closet ene wo ho. Okotena toilet no wenye nsuo dia flashy. But oba obesi toilet e di amamo. Untie no. Ye ba besi toilet e di amamo.
Besi toilet. And all you can see 8 unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, and 32 toilets in all.
Anytime I watch this video, it make me laugh. Yeah, ba besi toilet di amamo. Enye Jimmy na we Jimmy a. Enye wa dwen na enye papa. Toilet a wo come mpesi so a me nko afrima. Metimesi biama wom. Ensuo aye yusu. Ensuo sapo enkrasi ensuo no. Me nko afrima shows. Metimi aye bi ama mpesi so. Wo besi toilet eye campaign team. Ene frema shows miss Messi toilet. Eye water closet. Enti monto Can you imagine this idiot? But when you be fighting corruption, no. Corruption na mo corrupt ya mo wo mu. Wo be your man panyina na wo be fighting and say wo sabre wo be fighting. Na wa be wula na wo say you are corrupt. Ekufuado is corrupt. Mo ba ye mo hwe oman japade a mo chefa. Mo hwe oman sika a mo di. And you're one of the richest. But before you became a vice president, you were nobody. You haven't seen millions. She before. Today, you are one of the richest. So if you don't know, let me tell you, Bawumia is a billionaire right now. Yeah. But before Obabaye vice president, no million, no ni shishi. But through us, through corruption, Bawumia is rich. Bawumia is a millionaire. Nayeri is a millionaire. Under us. Now, when you're corrupt, how did you get the money from? Yenjimio, we ain't fools. Do you understand, Beolaya? We are not fools. Charlie, I can't wait to Obeko opposition, fellas. I just can't wait. Says Jimmy for Obeko opposition because we are sick and tired of how he thinks and how he says things. Now, I mean, I'm trying to understand him, but I will never understand this idiot because you are vice president. You are vice president who do be at this time, this is not the time. I also catch the toilet. This is not the time. I'll also catch fight corruption. You must able to tell us, say, how you have fought corruption. Mintina say, ana any people among your because Beolaya, when you come out, you must able to tell us, say, me, Beolaya, and as a me frame shows, me buy under the office of ABI Ekufuado no. Felicitas was in charge. Now ABI revenue of ABI road tax, we were making $5 million every year. Under me, because of corruption, may ye Felicitas Eddie frame shows a besho. Now through that, instead of 5 million every year, we are now making 7 million a year. Why are there now? Under me, electricity, this and that and that. We are making this kind of profit. That is what we need, though. That is all. And then you hear empty promises. You are not coming to. You will not become a president because at this time, you need to tell us your deed. You are making empty promises that any PPM and you go make it. We don't want you. Say Mahama making promises, or your opposition party right now. So he can make any empty promises or he can make any promises. We are noticing it down. Everything Mahama said he would do, face the country, we are noticing it down. We are writing them down. Or your opposition. So Mahama can say whatever you want to say. But situation whereby you are vice president. So you cannot tell me, say, you're president, you must be able to tell us what you have done. Your deeds. Sabre Osenka Otimi Jinokacha say, oh, me buy Messi hospitals, a bebe 10. Oko Bia, Oko Josephine Ama, Messi hospital, Oko Elia Bubaka, Messi, Oko Modi Mojiza, Messi hospital. Sanya Yeno, sa. This is how you tell us to convince us. Senya, you be convinced why you wait, but don't tell us the empty promises. Say, you're already a vice president. You are a vice president, so you must able to tell us when you are why. And can't try say obey your way. No, Sabri, I was saying to me, catch him say, me best me be a president, me kasa me ba messy toilet. And he said it, Muntie. We just watched the video, and or see me ba messy toilet at your mamo. It is Sabri, I was saying to me, catch him say, messy toilet, Marco 100, Muntie.
For Manfansim way in Chamokakra, we are heading towards Yankopon Yaduma 7 December, but we in Basona. When you say about Yana, a Munsem nominum, no, and you beat me about a soon be the rose and your mind gana so because with my phone into my pay friend. Now, Master say, Mobakaya on horn, and so yet me a boss when you the ro. Ma of mine is so not obia, it's me a tea be now of mine so it me a fan into my pay friend. Ever as soon you.
Is it toilet at your mammo? Ain't it Sabre or person obey your mum penino? I was saying go to make a chemi say, who call Kimo in a city? Missy toilet war. Miko Josephine Ama, Messi toilet or Miko Felicita, Miko Sigma, Miko Nilata, Messi toilet or that's what we need.
Messi toilet. And all you can see, get unit toilet
It is sabre and Catholic unit is supposed to be your mouth somehow be catch 6 unit of toilet 36 blah 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 uba no catch hey moko frema show city Messi toilet ewo ho me moko Josephine ama Messi toilet in all no mamamu about 160 bomba latre period bomba latre ni akacho say oh why are there what my bomba latres uka say uba me ba me make sure say yemfa mobile money yemfa e-levy tax and do mobile money, so mobile money is not going to me buy am making sure after making sure say there is no taxes on mobile money ni aboyensa mo uba ye uka say me ya akwan sa brain ka utina sina ugina ho you go and tell them what you have done and your empty promises nana. I pity people who go there and listen to this idiot. Josephine say, I'm in Dansuma, no toilet. You see? Ain't it toilet now? Cause obesi na way. This is, you see, I don't know man the way you know. Munti, what's he say? What's he say? Yeah, busy toilet and mamo Josephine ewa Dansuma, there's no toilet. Mr. President, this how you supposed to say, Monko Dansuma, messy toilet wo, Monko Kaswa, Monko Abrekuma, Monko Weja, Monko Seyi, Monko Circle, Monko Yefre was saying, Nungwa barrier, and Nungwa, Monko ha, messy toilet wo, now Wabu Bukundia can just say, in all, I have built all this toilet. That's yeah. Oh, as a vice president, who see bomba la tre, enya water close bomba la tre. Now we catch say we see toilet. Abra free shows. Makoye welcome to Walmart. I swear to desi toilet. Ewa mempesu yaso. Mukoye ensio keke. Okuta $3,000. You ubet me tunsio o krum. And I bet me tunsio o city diama o krum for no. Me a metia brocha me ye by day. Me tunsio. Uko tu mukoye ensio ba kwa no ma bejina kwa sia $3,000. We're able to do ensio for the city. Send a bay on jai ensure almost a free form because ensure is a free form. No, I am not a more womb and no as see ama youth no say youth no mania. Omani aye call different colors near the day. Bebrena ensure no mono na mam webia comuyam. I must say glucoma adoson e wagan any penny frefra. And a sagalam say no mutuno. Mercury any breach in your man or gumuno. E kosu any frado dona e wo memu. It is sabrains and minu no any alon no a ye de gugum. It is sabre minu no. I was a sabrain ka any pipi. Motu to tunsio baby a galam see adoson. Na o manunsu papa ya de alon ne gum asoni so ediama now, boy, don't tell me say obey young president, everybody president be away. Obi see bomba la 3 is anything. Bomba la 3. Say who are breaching up, say we see bomba la 3, Emma Ukroma. Any big deal. Don't do the bomba la 3, do the water closet. Community now, maybe the community now, they dig the hole. The largest and deeper hole I've ever seen. Hole omo digi omo the ladder. Etwa so. Youth know okrom ho no anyone a diggy omo pitch a diggy hole no because almost say my minister obey toilet dia maye. I didn't pay them shishi. All that I provided is the cement, iron rods, anwea any ayi and never say aduane at least omo ye adwuma no wo ba anopa awia ene enumram bedidi. They didn't take anything for me. They built a toilet for themselves. All that they need is provide them with their supply. I bought the toilet. I bought everything they need. Ensure toilet no. Oko yusua toilet no. Ensure how we are. Semina now the via over one sa. Oko si bomba la tres yemo ensema. And then we want to call bomba la tres. How much does it cost? Community no more Ghana no munjimi you. Oka chom so betun su ama. They will even start working on it. Yebeko ko do baby yebetu ama okachom so besi toilet ama woma omo ankasa community omo bodewro no mo akọ dege me say the biggest me will be there me say hey wow, and this toilet is going to last more than years without say being a machine at the action. Why? Because omemuti phone will say ebeboa emu hia into omo ankasa dege masa yempem kwasi asem bia yempem kwasi asem. You have nothing good to offer. Obe ulaya, you got nothing good to offer. People be any how be the ama o mine yen pensem fun me ba me we, knowing say you cannot do anything. How dare you? Na ya na me nwa say wo akogina ho. I say moto abama me number president and me fight corruption. You are going to fight corruption. Is that not a mafia who will be in charge of you? Who is going to control you? Oh no, but lie and him say Akufo-Addo akonwa ye de ama we as a vice president no. You will be indebted to them for the rest of your life. You are going to be even when you become a president, Krana, you cannot make a decision for yourself. Even to fire your friend is saying, Hopeless Adoye from port no. Nana odi ewuo. So to ahino so odi ewuo. Ena or take initiative to fire your friend is a Hopeless Adoye. Why? Because or support to Alan Chematin. You couldn't even fire Hopeless Adoye. You couldn't. Jimmy said Teresi. Thank you all for watching the video. May that be say thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. The page is still restricted for some reason. It's Obade Adoma Ochna Yebeshia. May that be say I hire political zone. Face the country convener. I'm not paid by any politician. I just speak my mind. Me or memutini inti. I was say me so de be me come drink. Say me member life I pre-recorded. Bitimba live, so I'll come live and talk to you guys. Thank you all for watching the video. I love you all. So I'll be video no later. So I'm going to share and like it. Me di cocoa butter brownie. I'll say chroma home video pour amantem. Now so me say can for me do be say oba de adoma ochina e be share.
Era ma se siamo già bravo della TV come session notification bell click su sia doppeletta sa WhatsApp can be era ma se